Is the sea actually more biodiverse than land? It's a classic science debate, and the answer is way more dramatic than you think, so buckle up. First, let's define biodiversity. It's the variety of life, the total number of species on Earth, from bacteria to blue whales. Now, for decades, the common sense answer was simple: the ocean must be more biodiverse because it covers 70% of our planet, right? But here's where the plot thickens. According to the latest studies, about 80% of all described species live on land. Yes, 80%. Even though land only makes up 29% of the surface. The remaining 15% are marine, and about 5% are freshwater. Why? On land, biodiversity explodes, especially in the tropics. Rainforests like the Amazon are hotspots, sometimes called the lungs of the planet, but I call them the treasure chests of life. For example, a single hectare of rainforest can harbor more plant species than all of Europe combined. And insects? Land wins by a landslide over 1 million known insect species, and scientists estimate there could be 5 to 10 million more. But don't count the ocean out just yet. The ocean is home to mind-bending weirdness. 33 of the 36 major animal groups phyla live in the sea. Only one phylum is exclusive to land. Translation: the ocean has a broader variety of body plans and evolutionary experiments. Think of it as a giant laboratory for life. Where's the most marine biodiversity? Coral reefs, hands down. They cover less than 1% of the ocean floor but support about 25% of all marine species, like underwater cities buzzing with activity. The coral triangle between Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines is peak marine diversity. Think 600 reef-building coral species and over 2,000 species of reef fish in one region. Meanwhile, on land, the crown goes to tropical rainforests, especially the Amazon basin and Southeast Asia. Madagascar, a biodiversity wonderland, with 90% of its species found nowhere else. Okay, but what about microbes? Here's the twist. The true champions of diversity are probably the tiny things we can't see, and there's still so much we don't know. Recent DNA studies suggest more undiscovered bacterial species in a teaspoon of soil than there are mammals in the world. Latest research shakeup, the 2023 Global Biodiversity Assessment revealed an even starker decline. 1 million species now face extinction, many before we even discover them. Climate change and habitat loss, both land and sea are feeling the heat literally. So quick recap: land has more described species, especially thanks to insects and rainforests. The ocean boasts more evolutionary variety and bizarre phyla, with coral reefs as its hotspots. Both are losing species fast, and every new study finds more to discover and more to protect. The assembly of public facts can be imperfect. This is not an advice. 60 Sec University class Nonder 142 offered by laprove.com, source of Silphium garum, remake of ancient Roman sauce. Latest scientific info: distrust, revise, subscribe.